Let's look at new features on version 2 of 123D Design. Here, there's a Smart Rotate tool. I can position objects around a plane of my choosing. The face can be on the object or it can be on something else. I'll select this face, then I'll select this solid, and I get these manipulator tools. So I can rotate this object like that, or I can move it up and down. If I want to select a face on it, it has to be a solid, not a mesh. Both of these are imported STL files I got from Thingiverse. Another feature is that we can export our model as a 3D DWG or DXF file or a 2D DWG DXF file. We can also create a 2D layout. These features used to be only available on a premium account. So if I want to create a layout, I have to save my work to my projects first. Let's do that. And now we'll try that again. Create 2D layout. And this tells me that it's sending this file for DWG translation. Let's look at exporting it as a 3D DWG file. Okay, we can't do that because this is a mesh, but we'll change that soon when I show you this other new feature. Under the Combine menu, we have Separate. Separate only works on STLs that have non-touching parts and have been successfully converted to a solid in design. Let me show you what I mean. I have these two meshes. You know what? I'm going to delete that. I have these two meshes, and let's export them as an STL file. We'll combine them in the process. Now I'll delete these and I'll import that STL that I just made. So here they are. They're one combined mesh model of non-touching parts. First, I need to convert them to a solid. You can't always do that. The mesh has to have no holes or any flaws to successfully convert. It looks like these successfully converted. You can see, however, that they are still one piece. So I'll go to Combine, Separate, select the solid, and it just separated them. They're two separate pieces now. With Combine Merge, you can also now merge non-touching pieces. Let's make a DWG file out of this now and send it to AutoCAD. Export as 3D DWG. Open AutoCAD, and there it is. Finally, we've got some changes down here. If you want to edit the grid, click on that, and you can edit the linear snap and the angular snap. So those are the new features of Design version 2.